Hello and welcome to your math activity, Place It Right. You will construct four-digit numbers that when added will have sums to match the given clues. Here are your goals. Number one, identify ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000 digits in whole numbers. Your second goal, construct four-digit numbers that when added will have sums that match each given clue. Your slides will look like this. You'll notice on each problem and Place It Right, your two add-ins right here will be made of boxes and the sum is blank. You'll also notice the cloud with the digits that we will use in the boxes of our add-ins. So here's our cloud. These digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are three clues to help you solve the sum. And then the digits in the cloud will be used to complete the add-ins. In this problem, we see the sum is between 5,000 and 6,000. That means the thousands digit must be what? 5. So we're going to put a text box right here, and I'm going to put a 5 right there. Okay. So the next clue says, in the sum, the hundreds digit is the same as the ones digit. That doesn't really help us. So the last clue is that the thousands digit is 4 more than the ones digit. So that means the ones digit is probably going to have to be a 1 because it is 4 less than the 5. Okay, to solve, we have to start using the digits from the cloud to fill in our add-ins right here. If the ones in the sum is a 1, what could the two add-ins be? Well, since we don't have both a 1 and a 0, we must be doing some regrouping. So I think 6 and 5 would work, or 7 and 4 would work right here. Let's use the 7 and the 4. So let's put the 7 here, and let's put the 4 here. Okay. Now, regrouping our 1 to the tens place, we still don't know the other add-in because we don't know what the sum is in the tens place. So let's come back to that. We know the hundreds place, which is right here, equals 1. So since we use the 7 and 4, let's use the 6 and the 5. Let's put the 6 here, and let's put our 5 here. That gives us a 1 in the hundreds place. Oops, I need to do that over here. So let's put a 1 right there. And a 1 that is regrouped to the thousands. If the sum of the thousands place is 5 and we have already regrouped at a 1, what two numbers do we need to make 5? The 3 and the 1. So we need to put a 3 here and a 1 here. Now that only leaves us with the 2 left. So let's put our 2 right there. So this, with our regrouping, we would need to put a 3 right here. So our sum of the add-ins is 5,131. Sorry, my numbers are kind of all janky here. Is that number between 5,000 and 6,000? Sure is. So that is how you do Place It Right. Take your numbers from the cloud, Put him in here using the clues to solve for the sum. Good luck.